Good morning, class 3. I hope you all are enjoying and excited to learn something new today. So, children, observe me carefully and I'll ask you some question. You need to answer it. So, children, look at these emojis. Are they same? No. What is the difference between them? What is the first emoji show us? The first emoji shows the cool attitude emoji. What identify the second emoji? The second emoji shows the laughing emoji. What is the third emoji show us? Obsessed loving emojis. So children, do you know what are they called? Yes, exclamatory adjectives to convey the story, emotions or excitement. As you know about adjectives, today we shall learn to compare them. So children, do you know what is comparison? Comparison is simply said where being qualities and values are compared. For instance, we can take an example like we having two cups. This is a tea cup and coffee cup. So children, do you know which cup is bigger than the other? Coffee cup. Coffee cup is bigger than the tea cup. So here we are comparing between two. Even we can take an example like someone's height. Mary's height is same as Sally's height. Whenever we compare anything like animal, place, thing, it is known as degrees of comparison. So children, do you know that what is adjectives? Adjectives are used to compare people, places, objects and ideas. Adjectives have 3 degrees: positive degrees, comparative degrees and superlative degrees. So here we have the first degrees of comparison, positive. Positive is simply described as single person, animal, place, object or any group without any changing form. So we have a first example. Rahul is a tall boy. So here the adjective is tall. So we'll underline it. Our second example is Radhika is a smart girl. So here the adjective will come smart. Let us look at second degrees of comparison, comparatives of degree. So comparatives of degrees are like comparing the nouns with each other. It is like adding the word suffix er, short, shorter. Let us look at first example. Alice is smart. Joy is smarter than Alice. So here we are comparing between two boys, Alice and Joy. So the comparison is smarter, er. We are adding the suffix er. So here the comparison is smarter. Let us underline it. Let us look at third degrees of comparison, superlative. Superlative is like comparing between two nouns or against the rest of the group. It is like adding the word suffix est. Let us look at first example. Dhruv is tall, but Akhil is taller. Here there is a comparison between Dhruv and Akhil. Dhruv is tall, but Akhil is taller. The third example we have Akshay is the tallest of them all. Dhruv is tall, Akhil is taller, and Akshay is the tallest. So here the superlative degrees will come as the tallest. We'll add the suffix est. So here the comparison is tallest. Now let us underline it. So children, let us complete the table with positive degrees, comparative degree and superlative degree. So here we have ER as comparative and EST as superlative and positive the same. So here we'll see our first question, big, bigger, biggest. And next, second question, small, smaller and dash. What will be the answer? So here we are adding suffix EST. So answer will come smallest. Let us see our next third question. Low dash lowest. What will be the next answer? So here this is a comparative. The low will add the suffix er. So here the answer will come lower. Our fourth question, dash happier and happiest. What will be the positive degree? Here we are finding out the positive degree. So the answer will come happy. And last, fifth question, we have safe dash safest. Now children, can you tell me what will be our answer for comparative? Here we are adding surface er. So our answer will be safer. Okay. Now let us solve another example. Underline the correct adjectives. Here we are having our first question. Rohit is the dash boy in the class. Tall, taller, tallest. Here the answer will come tallest. We are comparing Rohit with the whole class. Superlative. So here we are having the second question. Nick is dash than Mike. So here we are comparing between both. So we'll get faster comparison. We'll underline it. A mouse is dash animal. Small, smaller, smallest. Here the mouse will come small. We are not comparing mouse with anyone. So children, what value did we learn from this lesson? Yes, we learned the value of comparison, differences between two or more things. So children, today we have learned a new topic about adjectives in our degrees of comparison. I hope you like it. Thank you.